Are looking for to download PayPal statement? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So here's a step-by-step way on how you can easily download statement on PayPal. First thing first, move into your application PayPal or head over to the official website of PayPal. Make sure to enter your login credentials and log in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Click on this three line at the top left corner of the screen. Once done, head over to activity in this page. Once you're inside this section, you will see all the transactions that you have made on PayPal. If you want to download any of the statement, then simply click on this download icon. From here, simply select that statement that you want to download, click on it, and then once again click on download icon. After that, the statement will be downloaded successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.